Hello everyone and welcome to Bangkok. Are you guys looking for a shopping center in Bangkok that has absolutely everything? From clothing, electronics, restaurants, street foods and entertainments. We have just a shopping mall for you, the famous MBK shopping center. In today's video, we will show you exactly what kind of products you can find in the shopping mall, different type of foods you can expect, and other information that will give you a nice shopping experience in your next visit to the MBK shopping center. MBK is extremely easy to get to. Head to the BTS SkyTrain system and exit at the National Stadium BTS station, and you will find yourself a short 2 minutes walk away. As you arrive, you will notice the mall is huge, with 7 floors packed with shops and vendors, delivering a great shopping, dining and entertainment experience. A good place to start off is the ground floor, where you will find a good combination of discount products, bazaar-like shops selling authentic goods, and many restaurants alongside cafes. The highlight of this floor is the open plazas in the middle, where you can find a huge collections of discounted clothings, with discounts as high as 70 to 80%. The selection of clothes is great: sportswears, jeans, dresses, anything you can think of. A great place to land some really good deals on fashion items. There is also a section that looks similar to a bazaar on the ground floor, where you can find many antiques and exotic garments. Many of these stores will not have set prices and price tags on the products, and it is important to bargain. Don't be afraid to haggle hard, have fun and bargain for a great price for a product you love. There is also a good mix of restaurants and cafes, with most of the fast food restaurants in the mall located on the ground floor. For inquiries and information, the largest information counter is located on the ground floor. If you need any assistance during your visit to the mall, this is the information counter to find. Let's head up to the second floor. This floor has a good mix of everything, from shops selling souvenirs, clothings and sportswears, to one of the main highlights of this floor, which is a very good selection of luxury products, such as gold products, jewelries, diamonds and etc. For Eastern Asian cuisine lovers, there are a couple of nice Japanese and Korean restaurants, and a handful of indoor and outdoor bars that adds a little bit of nightlife into the shopping mall. The bars here open till around 2 AM in the morning. Not a bad place to enjoy some music and a couple of cool alcoholic beverages. One other big attraction on the second floor is the Don Donki Japanese department store. Extremely popular amongst locals and tourists. You can find all kinds of Japanese products here, but personally, I love the snacks and the sushi section, with many delicious looking sushi and sashimis for sale. For visitors looking for money exchanges, you can find them on the second floor, including Super Rich, one of Thailand's best money exchanges. Next is the third floor, probably the most popular and unique shopping area in the entire shopping center. The highlight is of course the shopping street, an area that is similar to a market where you can hunt for some very unique products and then bargain for a good price. You can find so many interesting products to take home, including high quality first copy clothing, antiques, copy designer brands such as handbags, shoes, backpack, and many more. Most of the items do not have price tags, so expect to haggle and bargain hard. A great place to hunt for products and souvenirs whilst putting your bargaining skills to test. If you love aromatic products, you can find some of the best fragrance and aroma shops on this floor. They always smell incredible every time you walk by. The fourth floor of the MBK is also extremely popular, as it is one of the largest mobile, electronics, and computer section in central Bangkok. If you are on the lookout for new electronics, gadgets, and accessories, you can find a huge selection here. Laptops, mobiles, tablets, and any electronics you can think of, with the newest and some older products. There are many stores selling second-hand electronics for a good price, but as always, be very careful with purchasing second-hand products. Once again, in this shopping mall, there are plenty of room to bargain for new electronic products on this floor, with the possibility of landing a great deal for the same product in terms of prices compared to your home country. The fifth floor is the camera, photographic, and film shooting gadget sections. If you love products that will help you shoot beautiful videos or films, as well as top quality cameras for amazing photos, you can find the best electronic brands like Sony, Canon, Big Cameras, and others that sells original items and gadgets. For gamers like myself, there are around a handful of shops selling games and consoles for all platforms. You might even surprise yourself with some ancient consoles and Game Boys. Looking at these Dreamcast consoles, Nintendos, and old Game Boys certainly brings me back memories from years ago. The sixth floor is very popular for workers and students. There is a pretty good co-working space available with many cafes and snack shops nearby. If you want to find a place to sit down and work quietly whilst enjoying cool beverages, this is a good spot. The sixth floor also has one of the best food courts in Bangkok, including many delicious local Thai dishes and street foods. The prices are good, and I love the large portions here. Like many food courts in Bangkok, you will have to get a food court card at the cashier or use one of these automated machines to buy a QR code ticket. The seventh floor is where you will want to take your friends and family, with many entertainments to choose from. A SF cinema to enjoy a good movie and some freshly made popcorns, and of course, Hero City, one of the large remaining arcades in Bangkok. A great place to have fun and enjoy some really cool arcade video games. There are also a good amount of cafes and restaurants on this floor, including Sizzler Steak and Salad restaurants, the MK Chinese Hot Pot restaurant, and 8 Hachiban Japanese ramen restaurants. MBK Center is an amazing shopping mall packed with shopping, restaurants, entertainments. The highlights we have mentioned is only a portion of the great things you can do here. For even more amazing shopping malls in Bangkok, check out some of my top 10 lists here.